Let's rank the different types of garage door locks for convenience and how well they can help you prevent car theft. Padlocks are the cheapest option, but security-wise, not great. Burglars can cut through them in seconds. D tier. Handle locks, a step up from padlocks, but still not ideal. These old-style locks are manual, meaning you'll have to get out of your car, and some can be easy to force open. D tier. Key fob locks. Most modern garages have these. No keys needed and can be opened from the car. Super convenient. Just remember, don't leave your fob in the car. B tier. Keypad and fingerprint locks. No keys, no worries. Secure and keyless. Just change your code often to avoid hacking. A tier. Smart locks, the ultimate garage security. Remote access, roll-in codes, top-tier protection. Definitely superior. S tier. What's locking your garage? If it's outdated or not working the best, maybe it's time for an upgrade. For peace of mind and security, always get a licensed professional to help you.